আজি যত তারা তব আকাশে, সবে মোর প্রাণ ভরি প্রকাশে। আজি যত তারা তব আকাশে, সবে মোর প্রাণ ভরি প্রকাশে। আজি যত তারা তব আকাশে। নিখিল তোমার এসেছে ছুটিয়া, মোর মাঝে আজি পড়েছে টুটিয়া। নিখিল তোমার এসেছে ছুটিয়া, মোর মাঝে আজি পড়েছে টুটিয়া।
I was always inspired by the life of Prince Dwarkanath Tagore because he was the first native Indian to form a partnership with the British Car Tagore and Company, was a pioneer, started the first railroad, the first bank, the first shipping line, the first tea garden, first warehousing company, and many export and import activities. He created a fortune starting from almost scratch. He had called when he was in London Devendranath Tagore and asked him to send every month 1 lakh rupees for his expense in London. He was adored by the royalties in London, and also in India his parties were most sought after parties. When I read a book on Dwarkanath Tagore, at the end of the book it was written that his monument in London in Kensal Green Cemetery was in bad shape. It has broken, trees have grown. The person who financed to construct a monument for Raja Ram Mohan Roy in Bristol, his own monument was in a bad shape. So I called my friend Anirban in London and asked him to go and visit Kensal Green Cemetery and look for the Dwarkanath Tagore's monument. He didn't know before my call that Dwarkanath Tagore's monument is there in London or it was in the Kensal Green Cemetery. After my call, he took the trouble of going there, but the cemetery was closed. It had 65,000 monuments. It was very difficult to locate unless some guide was there. So he looked for the guide in the form of Friends of Kensal Green, and they located the monument. It was really in bad shape. We said we will put it in the right place and repair it. But we were told that before repair or starting the repair, we must get the no objection from the family. And if the family is not available, they will put a notice for 90 days. If there is no objection, then we can start. So we put up a notice. After a few days, we got a letter from the Ganguly family, which was the girl side of Tagore family, that not only we are not objecting, but we are complimenting Mr. Chopra for taking up this initiative. After the 90 days period was over, we took up the repair work through an agency appointed by the Kensal Green Cemetery, who would repair it as per their norms and keeping the heritage value of the monument in mind. After it got repaired, I got a statue bust made of Dwarkanath in accordance with the bust available in the Asiatic Society. Through an artist in Kumartuli, I carried it. I came with the Vice Chancellor of MAKAUT, Dr. Professor Shoykot Mitru, and on 4th August we celebrated his birthday and also inaugurated the monument, which was thoroughly repaired. I am told that this year also on 4th August, that is Sunday, same memorial services or some celebration will happen at the Council Green Cemetery, at its monument. I send my best wishes. I wish I could be there, but anyway, my best wishes are with you, those who are celebrating his birthday. The Prince Dwarka Nath is an iconic figure. Somehow we have forgotten. We must brought him light and use it to inspire the young Bengali youth or community to become entrepreneur like Dwarka Nath and become successful. Thank you.